packing box, storage bag, U-shaped pliers, watch pen, manual, complete accessories. Battery installation. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. DC current. Current and capacitance gears can be cleared to 0. Switch to the DC current gear, and use the pliers to clamp the single strand to measure. AC current. Test immediately after booting, just clamp the single strand. Flashlight lighting. NCV induction. Switch to NCV gear, and a beep will sound when a voltage is sensed. The watch pen is connected to the corresponding port. DC voltage. Automatically identify the voltage gear, and the pen can be measured by touching both ends of the battery. AC voltage. Automatic identification of voltage gears. Household commonly used AC voltage is around 220 V. Supports data retention mode. Resistance. Automatically identify the resistance gear, and the pen can contact both ends of the resistance. Buzzer. Automatically identify the buzzer gear, test on and off, and issue a beep to indicate normal patency.